so long to let me see how lucky I am because I am free, free to do the things I want to do. What took you so long to let me feel I can give love and you're so real? What took you so long to let me know? What took you so long to make me cry? So I would know the reasons why. I'm so lucky I could smile. I didn't know this for a while. That I can live, I can love, I can reach to heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. Monica, Monica. Very, very sweet voice, very sweet smile. Isa pang napakabait na bata. Okay, we will ask your judge now directly. Judge Mitch?
Alamin mo kung ano yung strengths mo, alamin mo kung saan ka hindi masyadong confident kasi doon sa mga phrases na kailangan i-sustain, hindi na sustain, bumababa. But I know it is not because of lack of talent or voice because we heard you last week. It is maybe dala ng pressure, dala ng emotions. But again, sabi ni Direk Bobot, this is a competition, kaya paglabas mo dyan, kailangan hit the ground running. Otherwise, you have the looks, you have the charm, and you have youth on your side, and you have a good voice.
Okay, very good. Isa pang napaka-sweet. Okay, thank